In this video, I will start from question number 7 of 2018 October November P1 variant is 1. Question number 7 is okay. Up till question number 6 I have solved in the previous video. You can go into the playlist of O levels past paper in my channel and you can have all those questions. Question number 7 is the value of each term of a sequence is 4 more than the value of the term before it. So if the third term is 17, fourth term is 21, find the first term. So as we can see, we have a common difference of 4. 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 minus 4 is 17. So if third term is 17, fourth term is 21, you can find the second term by subtracting 4 from 17. 17 minus 4 is 13. And first term is 13 minus 4, that is 9. In part number B, they have asked you to find an expression for the nth term of the sequence. Give your answer in its simplest form. Now, A1 is the first term, which is 9. An is the nth term whose expression is to be obtained. An is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 into D. This formula is applicable for arithmetic sequence where you have a common difference, like we have 4 difference in each in the two consecutive terms. We have a difference of 4. So A1 first term is 9. We don't know n is number of terms. D, the common difference is 4. So from here 4 into n is 4n. 4 into 1 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5 plus 4n. So the nth term expression is 4n plus 5. Then question number 8. Write down an irrational number which has a value between 4 and 5. So basically under root 16 is 4, under root 25 is 5. So this is 4, that is under root 16. You can write 4 as under root 16. You can write 5 as under root 25. So if you want to find an irrational number between 4 and 5, then you can write that find irrational number between under root 16 and under root 25, because results of under root 16 are 4, under root 25 is 5. So between under root 16 and under root 25, a number which would be prime between under root 16 and under root 25, a prime number in square root will be your answer, because square root of a prime number is always an irrational number. Question number 8 part B is Kofi is using number cards to form a 5-digit number. These are number cards. His number is a multiple of 8. Okay, whatever the number will be obtained, this number is multiple of 8. Complete the final digit of his number. You need to work on this one. Well, if this number is a multiple of 8, then the last 3 digits, they should be divisible by 8. Now this is divisibility rule for 8, that the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. So if we have 4 over here, then these 3 digits 344, that is divisible by 8. 8 4 times 32, 2 will be carried over here, 8 3 times 24. So here you can have 4 as the 5th digit of this number. In the diagram AFGB, this is AFGB, BGDC, BGDC, FEDG, FEDG, they are parallelograms. This one, and this one. EF and BA are produced and they meet at H. EF. EF and BA. EF and BA, they are produced to meet at H. BGF. BGF is 130. DGF is 120. Find BGD. BGD. This angle. Well, that is quite simple. This complete angle is of 360. Angle in a circle or angle at a point is 360. 360 minus 130 minus 120 will give you this answer. That is 110. Find ABG. ABG. Well, this angle. This line and this line, they are parallel, opposite sides of a parallelogram. This is a transversal line. So this angle and this angle should add up to 180. So if you want to find this one, then 180 minus 130 will give you the answer for this one, because if it is x, then x plus 130 should be equal to 180, and you can find x by subtracting 130 from 180. So the answer is 50. Find HFG. HFG, this one. Well, this is quite simple. You need to find this one. You know this one. If this is 120, then this must be equal to 60, because their addition should be equal to 180, because this line and this line, they are parallel lines, and this is a transversal line. So the angle formed like this angle and this angle, they add up to 180. So this is 60, this is 120, they add up to 180. If this is 60, you can find this one. This total is 180. 180 minus 60 will give you 120. Angle on a straight line. Last one is FHA. FHA. Well, this angle FHA, this is equal to 60. Reason is that this is equal to 60. So they are corresponding, because this line and this line and this line, they are parallel line, this one and this one. So the two parallel lines are forming an angle with a third line. If this line form an angle of 60 over here, then its parallel line should form an angle of 60 with the same line. So this is 60. So you can say that they are corresponding. Question number 10 is, the diagram shows a closed box. This box is a cuboid. Measurements are in centimeters. So this is a cuboid, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter. On the grid below, complete an accurate drawing of the net of the box. Do not draw outside the grid. So basically, this length, this one has been drawn over here, this one. So you will open this side on the right, this box over here. So we have these 3 units, if you can see, and this one is 4. So you can see 1 2 3 4, this one, and this one will open over here. So 1 2 3 units, 3 units. This will be opening on this side. So you can observe 1 2 3 units. This side will be opening over there. So you can observe 1 2 3 units. This face over there and this face over here. So 1 2 and 3. So this is the net of this cuboid. Question number 11 says, giving your answer in standard form, if n is equal to 4 into 10 raised to the power 5. This is power 5. Then find n square. So n square is equal to 4 into 10 power 5 whole square. You will take square of 4 as well as square of 10 power 5. 4 square is 16, square of 10 power 5. This power of 5 and this 2 will be multiplied. 5 into 2 is 10. So this is not your answer, because it is not in your standard form. Right now we have decimal over here. You need to move this decimal right over here. So it will be 1.6 into 10 raised to the power 11. Because when you will move a decimal one digit on the left side, you will increase the power from 10 to 1 mean to 11 mean you will increase the power by 1 if you will move one digit on the left side. Part B is 1 over n. 1 over n is 1 over the value of n4 into 10 power 5. So you can do it. 1 over 4 is basically 0.25, and when you will move this 10 power 5 in the numerator, so you know the rule, whenever you move the powers in the numerator from denominator, so you change the sign of the power. The sign of the power will be changed. It is plus 5 in the denominator. When you will shift it in the numerator, it will become minus 5. 1 over 4 is 0.25. So this is not in standard form. You need to shift this decimal immediately after the first non-zero number. The first non-zero number is 2. So you are shifting this after 2. You are moving one digit on the right side. So when you will move the decimal one digit on the right side, you will decrease this power by 1. So from minus 5 it will become minus 6. It will become 2.5. The next one is question number 12. By writing each number correct to one significant figure, calculate an estimate for the value of 614.2 into 0.0304, 19.88. So first of all, write all these numbers correct to one significant figure. You can write 614.2 as 600 because we have to write them in one significant figure. So you know these zeros are not significant. 6 is significant, so this is in one significant figure. I haven't inserted decimal anywhere in 600, so the zeros after the number without decimal, they are not significant. You can write 0.0304 as 0.03 in one significant figure. You know the rule, this 0 is not significant. The 0 before non-zero number, before 3, whatever the zeros are, they are not significant. And 19.88 can be written as 20. So we have 2 as significant, 0 is not significant. So you can work on it. 600 over 20 will give you 30. 30 into 0.03, no, that is 0.9. Basically you have multiplied 30 into 3, your answer is 90. And in answer you should have 2 digits after the decimal, like we have in the question, 2 digits after the decimal. So insert decimal in such a way that you have 2 digits after it. So this is your answer. So from question number 13 to onwards, I will upload the solution in my next video. Keep watching. Thank you so much.